management process for production and operations. For success of organizational strategic objectives, strategic planning has to trickle down to various functions, areas of the business. In order to build a strategy management process, a sequential process has to follow. It includes competition analysis, goal setting, strategy formulation, and implementation. In competition analysis, company evaluates and studies current competition in the market and practices that are followed in the industry for the operations and production. Goal setting. The next step involves narrowing down the objectives towards which the organization wants to move towards. And next step, strategy formulation. The next step is breaking down of organizational goals into operations and production strategies. And finally, implementation. The final step is to convert operations and production strategies into day-to-day activities like production schedule, product design, quality management, etc. As organizations are always customer centric, production and operation strategies for organization are built around them. Operations, policy and strategy. It is very important for an organization to have well-defined objectives. A well-defined objectives facilitates development of strategies and policies, thereby creating value for customers. Operation strategy is essential to achieve operational goals set by organization in alignment with overall objectives of the company. Operation strategy is designed to achieve business effectiveness or competitive advantages. Operation strategy is planning process which align the following parameters: organization goal, business goal, product or service goal, SWOT analysis, and operation strategy. This is global competitive edge. Organization goal tend to change from time to time. Therefore, operation strategy as a consequences has also be dynamic in a nature. A regular SWOT analysis ensure that the organization is able to maintain competitive advantages and business leadership.